You're not that great anymore, ah.
Yung tripod nagiging manananggal na.
Kapag ka nag-atayaw din, ay, hindi ko makakala.
Practice mo yung hinihilit sa'yo.
Ay, happy!
Yeah, sir.
Alright. So we will be doing this while you're sitting down. So we will do this either sitting down or something you can stand up. But I suggest you stand up. So we will be doing our press. Now we're running on the press. We will start with all okay? Do not start. Just air it. Focus down and back. So that will be good for you to figure it out. Okay, so from here, when you press it up, from here, up to your right, you're going to never reach your elbows open. Twist. Now palms facing forward. Alright? Then down again. Okay? But do not, whenever you raise this, do not flare out like this. Okay? So that you can keep engaging your front shoulders. And then as soon as you raise it up here, now you're going on your legs. And then from here, it's actually your back. So you can do this workout first on 3 parts of your shoulders. Alright? Then once you have to 10, alright, now you will actually you will do side lateral raises. So you will start with number 1 of the side. Alright? Now, before you start, again, always stand back. Slightly bend your elbows. Alright? And then, instead of doing that, technically, it's not, you're not going to do it to the side like this. Okay? Because if you lift to the side, you're working on your class. We don't want to work on our class. We want to work on our fingers. So from here, then from a little bit, and then 45 degrees, 25 degrees. Okay? And your elbow should be higher than your dumbbells. Alright? And one thing as well, for you this to be effective, let your elbows be the movement, not your wrist. If you let your wrist change the movement, you can end it like this. Okay? Like the opposite side. No. Alright? Elbow should lead the movement. Like that. Last movement is your dual dumbbell going over that dumbbell. Now this movement works
Nice.
for shoulders, back of your shoulders. It's going to line yourself your shoulders and then
Nice. Ganyan lang, ha?
This is what you're targeting. But you need assistance from your core. Alright?
Grabe.
So you will then release the hip. Back. Alright, tighten up the core, and then your dumbbell should be aligned with your toes. Alright, even from here, you can slightly bend your elbows. And then raise your elbows. Not your shoulders. Okay? Elbows. Now,
Look up.
alright, you will do here. Okay? So for this movement, you have to make sure that you're with this, with the round the ball. Kasi, we're going to shoulders niya. Okay? Do that on that. Alright? So we will do that for 3 sets for every 4 minutes. Okay? If you're done for the 3 movements in like 2.5 minutes, the rest of the next 3 minutes. Okay? So, question. Can I use different dumbbell movement? Yes. Okay? If you want to do your first part of the first movement, okay? It's gonna be, I suggest for the next 2 for the lateral raises. Bend over. Align. Okay? It will burn. I'm telling you, it will burn at the second round. Okay? Alright? So don't get caught up with for the first 3 reps. After 7th rep, you will start to do that in your deltoids and then you will back up to your toes. Alright? And then, next one, this will be very quick, 8 minutes. It's a no-brainer workout. Alright? You just have to tell your mind to move, not your body. Because if your mind, if you lost control of your mind, like, okay, I'm good, I'm done, your body will follow. Okay? Because for the first movement, it's going to be 8 laps of this. You'll be spending a lot of time here. So, from break, on the motor, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you will be doing lunges most of the time. Alright? But once you're done with the lunges, you will do farmer's carry. Still, farmer's carry is 8 laps. Yep. You can run if you want to. Yes, I'm going to do that. And lastly, it's your burpee broad jumps. Okay? 4 laps. See, it doesn't say there how many burpees you can do. It's the laps. Okay? So the number of burpees will rely heavily on how long you can jump. You can only, if you jump, if you burpee, and then you jump up here, then you have to do more burpees. So I suggest, yes. So I suggest, alright, once you stand up, alright, gather yourself for a second, and then jump as long as you can. Okay? So it is a long jump. So if you just jump from this 1 meter, then you're probably going to do 5 to 6 burpees per laps. So that's a fast speed. That's 4 laps. Okay? Here? So 8 minutes is it's 8 minutes. You're gonna move it, it's a very short time, but if you're doing the lunges, telling you it's okay. It's only 1 minute. Alright? Lunges is just a couple. Now regarding the dumbbells, we're gonna use for the arms, for the lunges, but again, you know the time. Now, the dumbbell that you can just cruise through it. There's going to be like, alright? Yep. And then once you still have more time, then you can go to that session. Okay? Here? Alright. So, once away tayo. Let's go.
Subuhan ko na si Kat.
Alright, so what we will do, both of you face the wall. Alright, so wall sit, and then put your hands against the wall like this. And then what you will do, make sure that you're squeezing your shoulder blades. All you want the movement is go raising up and down. Make sure that you're squeezing your shoulder blades all throughout. Do it 10 times. Slowly, feel the strength, feel the contraction, feel the engagement. And then once you're done, now what you will do is put your hands to the wall like this, and then spread out your legs, wider stretch, and then down. Feel the stretch to your upper back. Do it for 10 seconds. Do it for 10 seconds, and then up, and then do it again for another 10 seconds. Next, it's here, up here, feel the stretch to your hamstrings. Now go down. Then fully relax. Okay, go back to the starting position. Do it 5 times at your own pace. Good. Dami lang yung video. Alright, so next, set up. Seconds, yes, then do it again. Okay.